guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's tutorial is on this look. I really wanted to create another look using the BH Cosmetics Smitten in Switzerland palette. I showed you guys this in my previous video and created a look using it in my previous video, and I told you I would keep creating looks with it because the shadows in here are so beautiful. So I needed to create another tutorial with this palette, so that is what I'm doing for you guys today, and I hope that you enjoy and like this look. So if you want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Smitten in Switzerland palette. The first shadow I'm picking up is Lucerne. With my Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush, I'm going to start running this shadow through my crease, all the way into this inner part of my crease right here. And this is going to be the only shadow I'm going to apply through the crease area. It's going to be a really quick and simple look. I'm now going into Zurich. I'm now picking up this shadow on my finger. I'm going to start swiping this across my lid. And then with the brush that I applied my crease shadow with, I'm just going to blend between my crease and my lid to make sure that the shadow blends nicely. To create my liner, I'm going into Brisk. With my Sigma F70 concealer brush, I'm going to create a smoky wing liner. And because the shadow that I applied to my lid has a nice blue shift to it, this blue liner is going to really nicely tie in with the look. So I'm just packing on more shadow and then blending the edges out again, and then packing on a little bit more and making sure that everything is very smoked out on the edge of the liner. Now picking up Lucerne on my E54 medium sweeper brush, I'm going to sweep that along my lash line. Now picking up Brisk on my F70 concealer brush, I'm going to sweep this just on the outer half of my lower lash line. And now picking up Zurich and applying this on the inner half of my lower lash line, and then just sweeping back and forth between where the shadows will meet to help blend them out. To highlight my inner corner, I'm going to the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Loose Highlighting Powder in You Glow Girl. And then to tie everything in, I'm using this highlight that I'm actually wearing today on my cheeks, and I'm applying this on my inner corner. I'm now picking up the Benefit BadGal Bang 24-Hour Eye Pencil in Midnight Blue. I'm going to line my upper waterline, and then line my lower waterline. I'm going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and I'm going to the Ardell 3D Foam Ink Lashes in 860. And that's the eye look done. For my lips, I'm going to this Pixi Beauty Mattelast Liquid Lip in Pastel Petal. It's so pretty and it's going to match so perfectly with the eyes. And that is it. This is a completed look of my mauve, pink, and blue smoky eye. I hope you guys enjoyed. Guys, this palette is so beautiful. I honestly want to create every tutorial now with this palette, but I'm going to obviously switch it up. I have to try different products, but if there are any other colors in this palette that you guys want me to use and create a look with, definitely let me know down in the comments because I will definitely do that for you guys. And if you want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, that'll be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also a list of all the products that I used today along with the brushes that I used. My Paulina Elliott Favorites brush set with Sigma will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier and shop away easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!